How to look at complex energy systems. Well, for example, EBSILON Professional can be a solution for that. EBSILON Professional is a software that works on a regular computer. You can install it. You need a license, of course, and then you can start with some boilers. You can start with some heat collectors. You can start with photovoltaics. You can build your system. It's coming from the large-scale power plants, but it's very powerful. It has many nice features in there, like a time series calculation, for example. Currently, I'm working with a student on a simple example as a balcony power plant with photovoltaics. In the first step, we do that without any storage. We will look at different locations. There's a sun database in there, and yeah, we will share the results soon with you. The idea is to have the next step to say, well, what about storage? How big should the storage be? What is the best cost-benefit point there? And then, of course, we can go larger, rooftop installations, industrial size installations, and so on. We just try to understand what's really going on and have a feeling for the impact of a storage, for example. Yeah, that's EBSILON. You can try it for free. Let us know if you need a license key there. And it's very strong. I mean, it's really for the large-scale processes, but it's limitless. Yeah. Now, if you have the PV, now you say, well, what about air conditioning that is added? What about having thermal collectors added? What about geothermal energy? What about this and that? I like it to play around with that. I'm not an expert, unfortunately, because I have never done a full project with EBSILON, but it's a cool tool. There's also a lot of documentation from our colleagues from AGH University in Kraków in Poland. They have even a manual online that you can find how to look at power plants. So there's a lot of things. We are also available for questions. Yeah? So if you are at a certain point, if you're not sure how to solve that, customers with a maintenance contract can call anytime and get support. And yeah, let's see. That was an idea for EBSILON, and I will also show you more of our approaches for typical problems in the energy engineering in the next video. So bye-bye. See you. Your Dennis.